Many of the databases provided by the Livermore Library are accessed through EBSCOhost. For this video, I'll demonstrate how to navigate EBSCO using Academic Search Ultimate. The Advanced Search screen page is where you will begin your research. Use the text boxes to type in your keywords. After you enter your keywords, you can go ahead and click Search, but if you'd like to pre-filter your results, there are options under the text boxes. If you're looking for scholarly peer-reviewed sources, you'll want to select Peer-Reviewed. There are also options to limit by date, publication type, and more. Currently, we're only searching in Academic Search Ultimate, but you can add additional EBSCO databases by clicking on the database name above the text boxes. On the results page, you'll see the number of results sorted by relevance to your keywords. If you didn't add filters on the initial search page, you can add them here. From the results page, you can see the article title, abstract, and subject terms. Ways to access the item are found on the drop-down menu. You can also cite, save, share, and download the article from this page. To view the detailed record, you can click on the title or View Details. Options to save, cite, share, and download the item are located at the top right above the title. Selecting the bookmark icon adds the item to your saved items. Saved items are available by clicking Saved on the My Dashboard menu on the left side of the page. If you would like to keep these items saved even after you close this window, you need to create a free My EBSCO account, which you can do from the link at the top right. This will be a separate account from your UNCP account. Citing an article in EBSCO is as easy as clicking the icon and choosing your citation style. Always be sure to check the generated citation against an official style guide. The Share option in EBSCO allows you to share items directly to your Google Drive or OneDrive accounts. You can also generate a permalink to the item or send it through email. This is just a general overview on how to use the databases in EBSCOhost. If you need assistance or have questions, contact the Research Services Desk.